What does it really take to day trade for a living? It's not just about staring at charts all day or hitting home runs on lucky trades. It's about discipline, structure, and most importantly, risk management. Today, we're diving into the daily life of a professional day trader, including their routine, mindset, tools, and how they manage risk to stay profitable, even when markets get wild. Let's break it down. 1. Morning routine, setting up for success. Most pro day traders start their day early, usually between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. Why so early? Because preparation is everything. Here's what the pros do first thing in the morning. Review global news and macroeconomic events. Check market sentiment, is it bullish, bearish, or sideways? Identify key support and resistance levels. Scan for earnings reports, economic data, or Fed statements, for crypto traders. Set up watch lists of assets to trade that day. They also spend time reviewing their previous day's trades, analyzing mistakes, and reinforcing their plan. Trading is like any business, if you don't plan, you're planning to fail. 2. Trading setup, tools of the trade. Successful traders treat trading like a business, not a hobby. Their setup includes multiple monitors for tracking multiple assets and indicators, high-speed internet connection, reliable trading platforms like TradingView, Thinkorswim, or Binance, real-time data feeds and alerts, a distraction-free workspace, and perhaps most importantly, a well-defined trading strategy that's tested and repeatable. Whether it's scalping, momentum trading, or breakout plays, pros stick to what works, and avoid deviating due to emotion or FOMO. 3. The trading mindset, psychology first. Just like in The Disciplined Trader, this video likely emphasizes that trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Top traders focus on emotional control, staying calm during drawdowns and avoiding revenge trading, detachment from outcomes, not getting attached to any single trade, consistency over perfection, making small gains consistently beats chasing big wins. Many professionals say, if you're not bored by your process, you're probably not doing it right. Discipline comes from knowing exactly what to do, before, during, and after every trade. 4. Risk management, the number one rule. This is where most new traders fail, and where pros succeed. Professional day traders follow strict rules. Risk no more than 1% per trade. Always know your stop loss before entering a position. Have a clear profit target, and stick to it. Never double down on losing positions. Avoid trading when emotions are high. One of the most repeated lines in pro circles is, you don't trade to win, you trade to avoid losing. That's the foundation of long-term success. 5. The daily trading session, how pros approach the market. Once the market opens, pros go to work, but always within their system. Here's a typical flow. First 30 minutes, watch the open, identify trends, assess volatility mid-morning, start taking setups based on pre-planned strategies. Afternoon, scale out of winners, close losing trades quickly. End of session, review performance, log trades, and prepare for tomorrow. Some traders only make 1 to 3 trades per day, while others may take more, but they all share one thing. They never force trades. They wait for the market to bring them opportunities. 6. Post-market analysis, building long-term edge. A winning trader doesn't stop when the market closes. Instead, they spend time on reviewing each trade for emotional and strategic errors, updating their journal with lessons learned, tracking metrics like win rate, risk-reward ratio, and consistency, adjusting plans based on evolving market conditions. This is how they build an edge over time, and stay ahead of the crowd. 7. Money management, growing your account safely. Day traders don't just focus on making money, they focus on not losing it. Key principles include starting small and scaling slowly, compounding profits instead of chasing big wins, avoiding leverage until experience builds confidence, keeping a portion of profits safe and reinvesting wisely. Your goal isn't to make $100,000 in a month, it's to survive long enough to see real growth. 8. The reality check, it's not easy, but it's possible. Contrary to what some influencers say, day trading is not a shortcut to wealth. It takes years of practice, patience, and persistence. But for those who commit to learning, building systems, and managing risk, it can be a viable career. Pro traders often say, I didn't become profitable until I stopped trying to be right, and started focusing on being consistent. So what does it take to day trade for a living? A structured daily routine. A well-tested trading plan. Ironclad risk management. A strong mental game. And above all, patience. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into trading, crypto, and financial freedom.